Basics of Microsoft Excel. Click the Windows button in the lower left corner. Find the Microsoft Excel icon and click on it. Once Excel is open, you may choose a blank workbook or file that you've been working on. We will work with a file that we've been using already. Find the simple data sheet at the bottom. The button and icons that you see across the top are located on what is called the ribbon. This area is the ribbon. The tabs at the bottom show all the spreadsheets that are in this Excel workbook. Tabs at the very top allow you to move between different types of ribbons. In the working area, the cell reference box tells you what cell or area is active, like A4. A cell is an intersection of columns, which are vertical, and rows, which are horizontal. I clicked on B3. Now, let's get to work inside of Microsoft Excel.